Measurement, I got another video for you here. We got a burn hole in the leather seat on a Ford Edge. Let's fix her up. As always, you clean your area. Got to do some prep first. Next thing, fill it in, heat it up, regrain it. Fill it in again, heat it up, regrain it. Fill it in, heat it up, regrain it. So we get that grain in there nice and tight. Make it look very original. Little SEM's texture. Blend it out, let it dry. 2-3 light coats. Not too much, but just enough. Of course, always our last. Wipe it down. SEM's top coat. And we're done.